Ever since Merlene Ottey came on the scene and became the very first woman from the Caribbean to earn an Olympic medal, bronze in the 200 meters at the 1990 Moscow Olympics, and went on to become a 9-time Olympic medalist, Jamaican and Caribbean women have been dominating the track and field scene ever since. The island of Jamaica has continued to produce some of the world's best female track and field athletes, such as Dion Hemmings, who was the first Jamaican and Caribbean woman to win gold in 400-meter hurdles at the 1996 Olympic Games in Atlanta, Georgia, and has been honored for her impact on local athletics and her inspiration to young Caribbean athletes. Other Jamaican athletes such as Sandy Richards, Bridget Foster Hilton, Lorraine Fenton, Veronica Campbell-Brown, Kieron Stewart, Sharon Simpson, and a whole lot more athletes have made their mark on the sport. Over the years, it is almost a guarantee that Jamaican women would be amongst the medalists at a major championship, whether it be the Olympics, that is held every 4 years, or the biannual World Championships. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, double Olympic 100-meter and 200-meter champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, and World Championship 200-meter gold medalist Shericka Jackson. All three ladies were able to create another historic clean sweep of the medals in the 100 meters at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, with Elaine Thompson-Herah taking gold, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce taking silver, and Shericka Jackson with bronze.
It successfully defends her Olympic title.
Many people thought this performance was a fluke, despite it being done before the Beijing 2008 Olympics, when then Shelly-Ann Fraser took gold while her teammates Sharon Simpson and Kieron Stewart were tied for silver. The big three of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Shericka Jackson proved again that their Tokyo Olympic performance was no fluke by creating the first clean sweep in the 100 meters at the 2022 Eugene World Championships, with Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce winning gold, Shericka Jackson taking silver, and Elaine Thompson-Herah taking bronze.
Watch for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce getting out well, and she has done. She's bidding for a 5th world title, and she's going to do it. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
The world began to take the big three seriously, and 2023 could be another lightning season for these three competitive Jamaican women. Here is a look at what could possibly happen for the big three in 2023. Let us get out of the blocks with number 3, Shericka Jackson. Shericka "Jacko" Jackson has grown to become one of the world's most beloved track and field athletes. Jackson began her career as a 400 meters runner and took bronze in the event at the 2015 Beijing World Championships, bronze at the 2016 Rio Olympics, and bronze at the 2019 Doha World Championships. After taking so many bronze medals in the 400 meters, she converted to the 100 meters in 2021 for the Olympics. Many thought that this was not the smartest decision, given that at that time she was an 11.13 second sprinter in the 100 meters. However, 3 weeks before the Jamaican Olympic trials, Jackson ran 11.03 seconds to prove that she stood a high chance of making the Jamaican Olympic team. Jackson went on to the Jamaican Olympic trials to run sub-11 in all rounds, including a personal best of 10.77 seconds in the semi-final and running 10.82 seconds to place second in the final. Jackson went on to take bronze in the 100 meters, along with taking gold and bronze in the 4x100 meters relay and 4x400 meters relay, respectively. Since her performance at the Olympics, most fans began to regard Jackson as a sprinter. The 2022 season has been her best one thus far because she was able to run multiple sub-11 times in the 100 meters and added more value to the 200 meters. At the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon, Shericka Jackson ran a then personal best of 10.73 seconds to take silver behind Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and managed to run the second fastest time in the 200 meters of 21.45 seconds to win the 200 meters at the championships.
Now Shericka Jackson coming up onto the shoulder of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. At last, it's Jackson's turn to be the queen of sprinting. 21.46. She becomes the fastest living woman on earth.
Jackson's performance made many fans question if, On a good day, she could break Florence Griffith Joyner's 1988 elusive 200 meters world record of 21.34 seconds. Shericka Jackson also ran her 100 meters personal best of 10.71 seconds at the Monaco Diamond League to become the 6th fastest woman in the event. Jackson has begun her 2023 campaign already debuting in her foundation event, the 400 meters at the Queen's Grace track meet in late January, by winning in 53.11 seconds.
What a moment we have here at the Queen's Grace Jackson League. 200 meters world champion Shericka Jackson goes to the 400 meters, and what a great start she had. On the outside, Christine Checker travels well. The inside, Crystal Norton. Background work, but it's Jackson. That's a field measure with 200 meters to go. Shericka Jackson taking charge with every stride as she continues around the bend. That's one individual medal for the 400 meters that major leads as well, so this is certainly not a new territory for her. Shericka Jackson leads and gentlemen, give her a lot of love. Give her lots of love. Shericka Jackson, 53.11 for Shericka Jackson.
She then went on to the New Balance Indoor Grand Prix, where she ran 60 meters in 7.34 seconds to finish 5th in her heat and did not advance to the final. Shericka Jackson has huge goals for defending her 200 meters world title later this year at the Budapest World Championships in August, and eyeing sub 10.7 seconds, clocking in 100 meters, which could make her win the event. Even though she has plans to continue running the 100 meters and 200 meters, it would not be surprising if she decides to return to the 400 meters and join the sub-49 club with her Caribbean counterparts Bahamian Shawnee Miller-Ubio and Dominican Republic's Marilady Polino. Number 2. Elaine Thompson-Herah. Elaine Thompson burst onto the scene in 2015 by taking silver in the 200 meters and gold in the 4x100 meters relay at the Beijing World Championships. A year later, she created history by becoming the first woman in 28 years to legally win the 100 meters and 200 meters at the Olympics. She won both events at the Rio Olympics and took silver in the 4x100 meters relay. After this performance by Thompson, expectations were high for her at the London 2017 World Championships. Having run the world's fastest time of 10.7 seconds at the Jamaican National Championships in June of 2017, she went into the August World Championships as the favorite to win the event. However, this did not come to fruition, and she was placed 5th in the event. For the next 3 seasons, Elaine Thompson was running fast but was unable to earn another global medal due to injuries. After placing 4th in the 100 meters at the 2019 Doha World Championships, she decided to end her season. She achieved personal success as she got married to her now coach Darren Hera and became Elaine Thompson-Herah. Still plagued with some injuries, Elaine Thompson-Herah faced a lot of pressure heading into the Tokyo Olympics in order for her to defend her 100 meters and 200 meters titles that she won in Rio 2016. Having placed 3rd in both the 100 meters and 200 meters at the Jamaican Olympic trials, along with taking gold in the 4x400 meters relay. Additionally, Elaine Thompson-Herah ran the fastest 100 meters by a non-American woman, as she ran a Jamaican national record of 10.54 seconds at the Prefontaine Classic, just 3 weeks after defending her Olympic titles. After winning the Olympics, she decided to move from her coach Stephen Francis, who is the head coach at the MVP Track Club, and decided to be coached by her husband Darren Hera at the New Hera Track Club. This decision did not seem like the most profitable one for the 2022 season, as she only managed to place 3rd in the 100 meters at the Eugene World Championships and 7th in the 200 meters. Despite having less than credible performances at the World Championships, she went on to win both the 100 meters and 200 meters at the Birmingham Commonwealth Games. Thompson-Herah has already started off her 2023 season by winning the 60 meters in 7.15 seconds at Queen's Grace Jackson track meet in late January and managed to win the 60 meters with a time of 7.30 seconds in early February at the Kirsten Warholm Invitational. Elaine Thompson-Herah is still on a mission to win her first individual World Championship title and will look forward to making the Jamaican national team in order to achieve that feat at the Budapest World Championships this August. By the way, if you're getting value from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our future videos. Thank you. Number 1. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the Pocket Rocket, or Mummy Rocket, as she's affectionately known, has been the world's most consistent 100 meters runner for over a decade. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce had arguably her best 100-meter season in 2022, as she ran 7 times under the 10.70 seconds barrier, additionally taking her 5th World Championship title in the 100-meter, which is the most world titles in any event. Also ran a World Masters record of 21.81 seconds to take silver in the 200 meters and won her 5th Diamond League title in the 100 meters by running 10.65 seconds to take the Zurich Diamond League.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, third from your left, has been looking impeccable in the heat. She's got ahead already. And Shericka Jackson on the inside. It's Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce for her 5th world title in the women's 100. 10.67.
Her fantastic 2022 season made her win her 5th Jamaican Sportswoman of the Year award. One might be wondering if 5 is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's lucky number, as her son Zion also turned 5 last year. The 2023 season is shaping up to be one of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's best seasons, as she is aiming to win an unprecedented 6th World Championship 100 meters title and possibly run below her personal best of 10.60 seconds that was done at the 2021 Louisiana Diamond League. Fraser-Pryce, who turned 36 last December, has somewhat hinted that she will be stepping away from the 200 meters, even though she ran sub-22 seconds in the event twice at last year's Eugene World Championships. But it would not be surprising if she decides to break her personal best of 21.79 seconds done at the 2021 Jamaican Olympic Trials. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is yet to open her 2023 season, especially with the fact that she has a wild card for the 100 meters at the 2023 Budapest World Championships. Fraser-Pryce remains her usual determined and motivated self as she enters her 17th season as a professional athlete. The 2023 track and field season could see the Big Three doing bigger and better things as they continue to replicate fast times, dominate, and make the region proud. What are you expecting from these Big Three in 2023? Please like, subscribe, share our channel with others, and turn on the notification bell for our next video as we cheer on our Caribbean athletes. This is J-irie Caribbean Sports.